Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an accessory that's absolutely crucial for anyone using a Tascam DR-05 or DR-07 MkII handheld digital audio recorder, the Aprelco 4ft mini USB cord. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed to be compatible with these Tascam models, which is a huge plus. You know how frustrating it can be to grab a random USB cable, only to find it doesn't quite fit or doesn't transfer data reliably. Aprelco has taken that guesswork out of the equation, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless operation for your valuable audio recorder. It's always important to make sure you choose the right device before purchasing, and with this cord, that compatibility is clearly stated and delivered upon. One of the first things you'll notice is its practical length. At 4 feet, this mini USB cord offers a fantastic balance. It's long enough to give you flexibility in your setup, whether you're connecting your Tascam to a computer for file transfers or to a power source for charging, without leaving you with a tangled mess of excess cable. It's just right for most common scenarios, providing convenience without clutter. The build quality is another standout feature. Aprelco emphasizes that this cord is made with the highest quality materials, and it certainly feels robust. It's a brand new, high-quality product designed for durability. The classic black color and round shape give it a professional look, and the male-to-male USB connectors are precisely engineered for a secure and stable connection every time. You won't have to worry about loose connections or intermittent signal drops, which is paramount when you're dealing with important audio files. Now, let's touch on some of the technical aspects mentioned. While this is a USB cord, the product description highlights features like OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. These stand for overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit output protection. While these are typically features found in power adapters, their inclusion in the product description for this cord speaks volumes about Aprelco's commitment to safety and reliability. It suggests that this cable is engineered to work harmoniously and safely within your existing setup, protecting your valuable Tascam recorder from potential electrical issues when connected to a compatible power source. It's been tested to ensure these protections are in place, giving you significant peace of mind that your device is safe from unexpected power surges or shorts. The primary function of this mini USB cord is, of course, to facilitate data transfer between your Tascam recorder and your computer, allowing you to easily offload your recorded audio. It also serves as a reliable charging cable, assuming your Tascam model supports charging via its mini USB port. Having a dedicated, high-quality cable for these tasks is indispensable for any serious audio enthusiast or professional. In conclusion, if you own a Tascam DR-05 or DR-07 MkII, the Aprelco 4ft mini USB cord is an absolutely essential accessory. Its specific compatibility, ideal length, robust build quality, and the implied safety considerations make it a top-tier choice. It's not just a replacement, it's an upgrade that ensures your recording workflow remains smooth, secure, and efficient. This cord truly delivers on its promise of high quality and reliable performance, making it a smart investment for protecting and utilizing your Tascam recorder to its fullest potential.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.